Are there things that you're holding on to in your life that you'd actually be better served if you could let go? I'm Krista. It's Monday and it's time for your Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. This concept of letting go can be really, really challenging. But if you think about what it means to let go, you discover that there is a whole wealth of joy and expansion and goodness that can happen on the other side of letting go. I often think of the analogy of the trapeze artist who is holding on to the bar and has to let go in order to connect to the other bar. There's absolutely no way for that trapeze artist to get to the next bar without first letting go of the initial bar. And there is that moment in between when you're just kind of suspended, where you're have to have faith and trust that that other bar is going to be there when you reach for it. That's what letting go is all about. That's what it means to let go of things that are not serving you anymore, even if you don't know what's on the other side of letting go, even if you don't know what the outcome is of letting go. My invitation for you today is to spend a few moments really acknowledging for yourself if you're holding on to things that are not serving you anymore. Maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's a job, maybe it's a home, maybe it's a belief system. But whatever you're holding on to, practice being the trapeze artist. Practice letting go, flying free, and allowing yourself to connect on the other side of letting go. I hope you have a beautiful, freeing day. Namaste.